Hello friends, welcome once again. Now in this video we will going to learn centroid formula. What is centroid? Centroid we get from the point of concurrence of all the medians drawn in a triangle. So that means the point of concurrence obtained by three medians of a triangle. So let us begin. Let us use the centroid formula to derive it. So here are the triangle ABC whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Now we have AD as median and on which we have G as centroid. So the coordinates of all the vertices are known to us, only D we don't know. So since D is the midpoint of segment BC, we will find out the coordinates of D by using midpoint formula. So the coordinates of point D is x2 plus x3 upon 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2 by using midpoint formula. Clear? So now we know all the points vertex, all the points coordinates. So also point AG is a centroid, so which divides the median in the ratio of 2 is to m. 2 is to 1. So AG upon GD equals to 2 upon 1 or M upon N. So we will take for x coordinate, as you know, to find out x coordinate we have formula as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So m value is 2, so we have written there, and x, you know that D point has x2 plus x3 upon 2 plus 1 into x1 as it is given upon 2 plus 1. When further simplify, the 2 from numerators fractions denominator get cancelled with the numerators 2, and therefore when we simplify we get x2 plus x3 plus x1 upon 3, which can further be written as x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Same way we can calculate for y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3 as it is shown previously, and therefore we call x as a x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y as y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, known as centroid formula. G is not the midpoint of side AB or segment AD. Please, G is not the midpoint of segment AD. G is known as centroid. Let us see one application on centroid formula. So the sum is given to you. Find the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are -7, 6, 2, -2, 8 and 5. It will be very easy if you draw a diagram, because that help you to think. Here in triangle ABC, A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2 and C is x3 y3 are the vertices in your xy plane as you have seen. AD is the median and G is the centroid whose coordinate is x comma y. Therefore, x coordinate of centroid is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y coordinate of centroid will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Substitution here, x equals to x1 as you see in the diagram, minus 7 plus 2 plus 8 upon 3, and y equals to 6 plus minus 2 plus 5 upon 3. I hope you remember that first we used to write down x1 value, y1 value, x2 value, y2 value, x3 value, y3 value. It will be still prefer that you should write down and then you should solve further. Clear? So now we will simplify x. So x coordinate value will be minus 7 plus 2 plus 8 will be 3, and same way upon denominator 3. So 3 upon 3, which further simplified 3 one time and 3 one time. So similarly y coordinate, 6 minus 2 will give you 4. 4 plus 5 will be 9 upon 3. If we further reduce, 3 one time, 3 two time, 3 three times, therefore x equals to 1 and y equals to 3. So what we can say, the coordinates of centroid of the given triangle is 1 and 3. Clear? Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was nice and you enjoyed it. Share with your friends. See you with the next video.